Rick Rivera, headed by the Governor Lilia Pineda and Vice Governor Dennis Pineda. Chuta na po kay baluarte na ng Guagua. Kaya betala po kayo sa sakyan di Mayor Simbol, Mayor Carling de la Cruz, Mayor Guerrero, kung representative ng Congresswoman Gloria Arroyo, Party List Congresswoman Association of Laborers and Employees ALE po, number 40 po, Kembalota, Mayor Yoli Pineda po ni Santa Rita, at Rick Rivera po, Mayor na ng Guagua. Vice Governor Dennis Tapo. Dennis Pineda po, Vice Governor. Dennis Pineda.